National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Mecklenburg County until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarksville, or 15 miles south of Chase City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Mecklenburg County, including the following locations: Richardson, Keats, John H. Carr Dam, Epps Fort, John H. Carr Reservoir, Palmer Springs, Finchley, and Lake Gaston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at @Wakefieldba. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Mecklenburg, Virginia,